Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you through the correct way to connect your 7-inch eDP touch display to the LattePanda Sigma. Follow me step by step to ensure your device runs perfectly. First up, we're going to insert the 30-pin end of the FPC cable into the display interface. Make sure that the golden fingers are facing upwards. Next, we're going to insert the TP cable into the touch panel socket on the display. Here, the golden fingers should be facing downwards. For the final step, we're going to insert the 40-pin end of the FPC cable and TP cable into the LattePanda Sigma. And we're done. Your LattePanda Sigma is now ready to go. Remember, do not connect while the unit is powered. Pay special attention to the orientation of the golden fingers during the installation process, and make sure to securely lock the connector in place before use. Thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. See you next time.